Once upon a time, in a small village, surrounded by green fields and tall trees, there lived a bright and kind girl named Isa. She was 10 years old and loved learning new things. Every morning, she would sit under a large banyan tree with her books and read stories about science, history, and faraway places. Isa dreamed of going to a big, beautiful school where children could learn, play, and discover their talents. However, her village had only a small classroom with old desks and very few books. One day, as Isa walked home from school, she looked at the empty piece of land near the village well. An idea popped into her mind. What if we build a dream school here? She thought. That evening, Isa shared her idea with her parents. A dream school. Her mother asked with a smile. Yes, Isa said excitedly. A school with a library, a playground, colorful classrooms, and lots of books for every child. Her father nodded. That is a wonderful dream, Isa. Every great achievement begins with a dream. The next day, Isa told her friends about her idea. They loved it. We can help, said Ahmed. I can collect old books, said Sana, and I can plant flowers around the school, added Bilal. Soon, the children began working together. They cleaned the empty land and drew pictures of what their dream school would look like. When the village elders saw their hard work, they were impressed. These children truly care about education, said one elder. The villagers decided to help. Some donated books, others brought paint, and a few skilled workers volunteered their time. Weeks passed, and little by little, the dream started becoming real. The walls were painted bright blue and yellow. A small library was created with shelves full of storybooks. A playground with swings and a slide was built beside the classrooms. Isa could hardly believe her eyes. One morning, the villagers gathered for the opening ceremony. Children wore their best clothes and carried colorful balloons. The village headman stood up and said, "This school exists because one young girl dared to dream." Everyone clapped for Isa. Isa felt shy but happy. She thanked everyone for their support. Soon, children from nearby villages also started attending the school. They learned mathematics, science, art, and computer skills. The library became everyone's favorite place. One day, a visitor from the city came to see the school. "This is amazing," she said. "Who started this project?" The villagers pointed to Isa. The visitor smiled and said, You have shown that determination and teamwork can make dreams come true. The visitor donated more books and computers to the school. As the years passed, the dream school continued to grow. New classrooms were added and more teachers joined. The school became known throughout the region. Isa studied hard and eventually became a teacher herself. She returned to the same school where her dream had begun. On her first day as a teacher, she stood in front of her students and said, "Never be afraid to dream big. Every great change starts with a single idea." The children listened carefully. One little girl raised her hand and asked, "Can I build a hospital someday?" "Of course," Isa replied. Another child said, "I want to become a scientist." "You can do that too," Isa encouraged. The school became a place where children believed in themselves and worked hard to achieve their goals. Every year, on the school's anniversary, the villagers celebrated with songs, games, and storytelling. They remembered how a young girl with a big dream had inspired an entire community. Whenever Isa walked through the library or heard children laughing in the playground, she smiled. Her dream had become much more than a school. It had become a symbol of hope, learning, and opportunity for everyone. And so, Aisha's dream school continued to shine brightly, helping generations of children learn, grow, and follow their own dreams. One afternoon, many years later, Isa received a letter from a former student named Hamza. "Dear Teacher Isa," the letter read, "I am now an engineer. The education I received at our dream school helped me achieve my goals. Thank you for believing in me." Isa smiled as she read the letter. Soon, more letters arrived. One student had become a doctor, another a scientist, and another a teacher. All of them shared the same message. The school had changed their lives. Looking at the happy children playing in the schoolyard, Isa realized that her greatest achievement was not the building itself, but the bright futures it had helped create. She looked up at the sky and whispered, "Dreams really do come true when people work together."